Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Nest Hub step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Google Nest Hub from the box. Locate the power adapter and plug it into a wall outlet. Connect the other end of the power adapter to your Google Nest Hub. Watch for the Google logo to appear on the screen. Once the Google Nest Hub powers on, select your preferred language. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted, and tap Connect. Wait for the device to connect to your network. Once connected, you may be asked to update the software. Allow the update to complete, which may take a few minutes. After the update, the device will restart. Once the Google Nest Hub is ready, you will see a welcome screen. You can then link your Google account by following the on-screen instructions. If you don't have a Google account yet, you will have the option to create one. Set up voice recognition by allowing the device to learn your voice. Follow the prompts to say the required phrases. Once voice recognition is complete, choose your favorite services for music and entertainment. Customize your device by selecting settings for smart home devices, if you have any. You can also set up your calendar and reminders during the final setup stages. Finally, place your Google Nest Hub in a suitable location for easy access and visibility. Your Google Nest Hub is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.